So you need to replace a cartridge in your HP printer. Well, let's walk through the steps together. The first thing we want to do is turn the printer on, so press the power button. Next, lift the top cover of the printer. The carriage moves to the dock on the right side of the printer. Let the cartridge settle into the dock. Then, gently press the cartridge down. The cartridge releases so you can remove it. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Using the pink pull tab, carefully remove the protective tape. Be careful not to touch the copper-colored electrical contacts or ink nozzles. This can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Place the new cartridge into the slot and gently but firmly push it in until it pops into place. Use the finger holds on the top of the carriage as you insert the cartridge to prevent from lifting the carriage out of position. Make sure that each cartridge is in the correct slot, tricolor on the left, black on the right. When the cartridges are in, close the top cover of the printer. The front panel screen will ask you to confirm the new cartridges that you have just installed by pressing the OK button. After that, the screen will ask you if you would like to print an alignment page. After pressing the OK button, you are asked to load plain white paper in the input tray. Press the OK button and an alignment page will print.